beautiful.
This is his favorite.
But you're all still here, so that's always a good sign, no matter what you feel about it. So my name's Adam. If you guys have any questions, and most people do not guess what kind of snake this is. It is not a black mamba. Not my thing. Venomous things, I would not count. They become very beneficial to us whenever we figure them out of it. So back in the day, dairy farmers did not like seeing milk snakes around, utilizing them necessarily, but utilizing natural behaviors.
Mom, let's go. Okay, so... Okay, so you actually need that. Okay.
Sit up on this? You need to come stairs. So you want to get up to people.
King Julian.
얘네가 만든대? 왜 가만히, 맞아, 가만히 있으면 와서 막 돌아다니다가 주변을 가죠. 엄마.
Oh look, he's got a little helmet too.
That's all I know.
Oh shoot, there's two. Yeah. I see another lady.
Looks like she's shedding all her skin.
Oh.
What's he doing? You need a cuddle? You want to snuggle? Ooh.
Where you going?
Oh my goodness. What are biting? He's making that. Show's not over.
I look like you need my...
Chicks whenever possible, but from time to time, we may come across a pair of birds that is not tending to their eggs properly. Well, those eggs are very precious to us, so we may choose where I can in the darkness, and he can hear his prey from 75 feet away. Because this is one dynamic. Down here to the stage, I want you to check this girl out. She's got legs, and she knows how to use them. She stands taller than the grasslands around her, so she simply walks up to her prey in that tall savanna grass and stomps her prey to death. About to meet Suyana. She is our juvenile Andean condor. That is one massive bird, right? These beautiful big birds, they have been seen soaring at some pretty impressive heights. We're talking higher than 21,000 feet in the air. If you're keeping track, that's higher than the highest point here in North America, which is Mount McKinley in Alaska.
Attract females as well, saying, hey, look at me, I'm a pretty cool guy. What do we feed them? In the wild, they eat mainly grasses, again, cactus and such. Here, we get animal. And we all know, hey, this is a tortoise. They're cool. They live in the desert. They actually need help.
You think Africa?
Well, he has. Wait, maybe the giraffe, because he has food.
For the giraffe. The kids' caravan would most likely not.
It's a really fun place because it smells like lots of good stuff. Hi guys, welcome to the compound. My name's Aaliyah, this is Penny. She's the cutest little thing. She does, doesn't she? And she just had her second birthday last week, 2 days before Valentine's Day. So she is considered a grown-up. They're considered grown-ups at about a year old. But she's definitely a dainty little thing. She still looks like a little baby to me. And she is a lowland paca. There's also a mountain paca, but these guys are the second largest rodent in South America. So they're related to rats. Feel one of her teeth, but she will not bite you. And it will not hurt, I promise. It's just scary sometimes if you don't know it's coming. It's like that.
Penny, are you hungry?
Good job.
Yeah. Spencer's our adventurous one. You should try it, Robert.
We just finished
It's
the
pretty
ropes
cool.
course.
What did you just finish?
Ropes course.
Oh, isn't that fun? I love the ropes. I've been on it a couple times now. Yeah, did you like it? Al?
Happy birthday. Here's a towel.
You know. Happy birthday. I brought this for you.
And how long do they usually live?
They can live about 10 days, maybe. And they stay in the really thick underbrush of the rainforest. They're nocturnal, so they only come out at night, and that is because they are the right size that everything in the rainforest likes to eat them.
Oh.
They're big enough that they're a good prey item for larger predators like jaguars and ocelots, and they are small really well from right here. She can see me even though she's facing towards you guys. She can also see over the top of her head a little bit, not all the way over the top, but towards the top of her head. And that's to keep a lookout for any predators, right?
About a year and a half. Oldest one's about 24, 25. Wow. So we have a relatively young herd of African elephants.
How long do they live?
They can live, 50 to 60 years.
Those are true.
These are Nyala. Cheetah. She is. No. I'll get to that. She is not the cheetah that will do the cheetah run. So the cheetah runs by an animal ambassador trained to do it. This cheetah would just run. So the reason why she cannot get over is one. Someone's walking back. Those are flamingos. Those are called greater flamingos. What are So he's gonna stand out talking to the girls, saying, "Hang out with me because I'm cool." He's gonna talk to the predator, saying, "I'm so big and strong, you can't take me down." That way on purpose.
Okay, just checking.
So it's a psychological barrier. If you're going to try to jump the fence, you want to get close to it.
Mm-hmm.
If you're under it, it's angling at you.
Sure.
So you got to try to find a way to go over it.
Shania.
Shania's the one walking on the right side. I think I'll take a shot later.
Alright. There.
Kind of tan with very minimal horns. So again, black chest, white saddle, thick curling horns. He is trying to impress. When you go out on a date, you dress up in nice clothes.
Yeah.
He's always wearing nice clothes.
Nice.
It's over 5,000 pounds.
Hi.
Welcome.
Wait, seriously?
Hello.
What happens to it?
I'll tell you about it. Mike, you gotta do it again? Okay. Go right through here. Poke through for me.
Here you go, Bo.
Bo. You want to do it again? He's got teeth in there. They're both teeth good.
Now watch.
Right
You
here.
can't. They're really big.
Oh god, I just saw one. They're huge.
The girl's not yours. Now he's running to the girl saying, "Look how cool I am." And then you got the other two over there on the far side. There's
Oh,
They're
they're
scary.
so pretty. Are they staring at you?
You throw some right over here. You're going to throw some over there.
Wait,
You're fine.
Whoops.
Yeah, you throw yours there, right over there. Perfect. Hold back, going out. Yeah, try not to hit them. So if you throw them all too close together, that means they're all going to fight for it and they'll kick each other. So you want to spread out the There you go. It's big or something that's small. Small. So when we're kneeling down like this, are we bite-sized or are we too big to eat? You sure? Pretty small right now. Just eat you up. Yeah. So,
Oh, it smells. Oh.
just come as far as you want. I know. The other one's sitting in the middle.
That's amazing.
Notice how Spencer's bite-sized? Where'd she go first?
Yeah. Just checking you out, buddy. Stay safe.
So the sound she's making? Yeah. She's chatting. That sound right there was called a chuff. That's a very familiar sound. Kind of like, hey, how's it going? Happy to see you. No. So what she just did is she just kind of knelt down.
No, no, no.
Is this yeah, remember, no major hand movements or anything. You don't want to scare her.
I'm not trying to.
He's watching.
You were behind me. It made you look bigger, right? You're like brother. It makes him look smaller, doesn't it? It's the equivalent of ground beef. So it's like a hamburger.
How do you do it safely?
We'll actually feed him through the fence, so we wear gloves.
How fast do you think they can?
Back.
Look who's still looking for you.
Remember at the beginning I told you?
They're staring at you some more.
Stare at him, not me. In that truck, how do they escape?
There's somebody in the back. So you have a driver, and then there's also a guy. Hey, buddy. Come here.
I feed him.
Yeah, come here. Poke this one right through here.
Not your food.
1,800-pound animals working together as a group. Should come back and check on it every once in a while, feed it, clean it, move it to another spot until it's big enough and strong enough to join the group and know how to run away. Food, stick the food through, just like that, they'll take it right from you.
Hey, buddy. See, he's got his horn.
You want that? Look how big he is. Bopu was the one we fed earlier, was even bigger. You wanna go first?
You want to go first, Spence?
Yeah, got you. Come on up.
All right, Robert, that's all you. Whoops. Huh? Oh.
He's telling you right where to put
Oh,
it.
look it. You can see inside his mouth.
You gotta put it in your mouth.
You wanna go?
You wanna do it?
Somebody's a little nervous about that. I love it.
This one makes me nervous. Put it in his mouth.
Oh, wash your hands.
There you go.
Good job.
Look at that. That's awesome.
Is he the same big as Rhino?
No. Of the species here at the park, yeah. We have other species that are bigger.
See his.
Is Bopu the...
Bopu's bigger. Yeah, he's the biggest.
You got it? Do you see how they use their nose? Or top of the lip?
Yeah, in the mouth. So he can't get through the bar. You can get close.
Yeah. He knows not to get to.
Fearless wonder down here.
Yeah. There you go.
See how he has
There you go.
stuck in his teeth? Like...
There you go. Oh my gosh. Here, let me get a picture of you.
17 months of pregnancy, followed by a 125 pound baby. Well, maybe about
In the... No, like... No, the things like...